here we are. Today's the first day of Pennsylvania's buck season. I had eye surgery on my right eye a few weeks ago, so I'm going to have to shoot left-handed, which is not going to be easy. So it's just breaking daylight. I'm not sure how we're going to do today, but I'll do my best to try to get the kill on camera, but if not, I hope you understand. This is the second day of buck season. Hunting a place I hunted probably 20 years ago. Back in that day, deer used to come out in this field in the evening. There wasn't a lot of pressure back in that day. Not sure what things are like today. I know there's a few more people that hunt this area, and I'm not sure what kind of pressure they had yesterday. So we're just going to sit here at the edge of the field and see if something comes out. Okay, here we are. This is the first Saturday. It happens to be the first day of doe season also, but I'm after a buck today. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow last night, and so we're going to sit it out here and hopefully we get a buck to come through. Hi there, this is the last day of Pennsylvania's rifle season. So this is my last chance to make something happen, so we're gonna see what happens today. I'm in a tree stand, so when this thing, it's probably gonna see me because I have an orange hat, orange vest. He's coming in though. Not sure how long he's going to stick around after he sees me, though. Can't believe he's gobbling. Today's date is December 14th, last day of deer season. I'm using my voice, but I don't have a call. Haven't seen any deer this morning, so I'm just goofing around here for something to do, kill some time.